Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel again. So we're here at Lime Resort, Manila. Malapit to sa MOA, mga 15 minutes away or sa Star City. Guys, sobrang ganda ng ginawa nila kasi naka-standard room kami pero in-update nila kami sa... In-upgrade kami nila sa deluxe room, 2 beds at may balcony with breakfast. So nice. So shout out to the Lime Resort, Manila. Thank you so much. So guys, room tour tayo. So ito, meron kayong lagay ng clothes. You can hang your clothes, may hanger sila. And then you have your fire extinguisher. You have your safety box. Marami kayong drawers. I know, marami kayong lagayan ng mga gamit. Meron kayong blower. Dyson ba to? Bibili na talaga ako kung Dyson to. Walang brand. And then you have your own slippers. Dito naman guys, sa bathroom nila, hindi ko alam kung nasan yung ilaw na to. So, may provided na yung towels, merong toothbrush, merong sabon, you have your own bidet, meron kang socket dito kung magsaksakan ng blower, and then, ano pa na makakapasok? You have your own shower. Sobrang laki ng shower. Meron kang shampoo and conditioner, may bath gel ka, meron kang shower na sobrang taas, and then may option ka ng another shower. So sana may hot water sila later. And then dito guys, sa side na to, you have your personal ref. Yan. And then, dalawang water na binigay nila. Lagay ng kettle, tapos yung baso, merong kape, merong... The brand din nila, it's Lime. Yan. Lime, it's Lime. Lime. And then here, meron ka another drawers. Yan, mga drawers nyo. Yan, lagay naman kung ano kayo. And you have your full body mirror. Yeah, full body mirror kasi nakikita mo naman. And then guys, so yung ano nila, it's a glass. It's not wood. It's glass. And then ito ka na lang, deluxe na bed. Tapos meron kang table, center table. And my tablet. Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin. Baka hindi nag-on. Yan. Ayan. Ayan. So, makakontrol mo yung mga bagay-bagay dyan. English, Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. And meron kang TV. At sa side na to guys, meron kang another side na table na pwede mo ilagay yung bagahe mo dyan or mga gamit mo. And here, meron kang another chair. Para siyang office table, office side. Tapos you have your own telephone. Pwede ka magsaksak, pwede ka mag-work. You can bring your laptop here. And then you have another mirror. Tapos may control ka pa dun, oh. Desk. Oh, may desk lamp ka pa. So, patay mo yan. Yan, ganyan. So, save the energy. And here, this is the best part. You have your 2 meters window. Window size na glass na door. And this is your balcony. So outside guys, you have your own. Wow, this is another chair. Oh, it's very comfy. You have your chair, you have your own table. Pwede kang maghang ng damit mo kung basa. And meron kang glass wall. And you have this amazing view. Look at the view, guys. This is nice. Priceless. The view is priceless, guys. Of course, it's priceless. Because, you know, they're making the sea, ano tawag dyan? Ginagawa nilang guys, hinuhukay nila. So yan guys, thank you for watching. And if you're interested to book this hotel, you can use our code CarlPClook and you will get 5% off sa inyong booking. Thank you.
Ilang meters yung pool nyo, ate? Ha? Hindi yung haba ba? Okay, sige. Thank you.
Ayan, may pool din sa baba. Ano, parang ang ganda. Ano kaya yun hangin sa baba? Tingnan mo. Ayun o, yung sa baba. Paano ka makakababa doon? Han. Ito tayo doon, Han. Tara ka dito.
Ito yun yung room namin. Nakikita niyo ba yung may pula na yun? Yan, damit namin yan. Diyan yung room namin. Tapos, may mga pagkainan dito. Sa gabi sila bumubukas lahat eh.